Hi, this is Mato. Welcome to my online chess lecture. In this video I will show you a game between Shakhriyar Mamedyarov and Judit Polgar. This is a game from World Blitz Chess Championship, played in Dubai in 2014. Shakhriyar Mamedyarov had white pieces and he started in d4. Judit Polgar played knight to f6, bishop to g5, the Trompowsky attack, knight to e4, white to move, bishop to h4 was played, bishop to f4 is played more often, bishop to h4, d5, f3, knight to d6, sometimes black plays g5, and after f takes on e4, g takes on h4, e takes on d5, queen takes on d5, knight to c3, queen to a5. In our game we have knight to d6, knight to c3, preparing e4, c6, e4, queen to b6, attacking the pawn on b2. How to defend the pawn? Shakhriyar Mamedyarov played queen to d2. To take the pawn or not? Judit Polgar played e6. If queen takes on b2, one line goes like this: rook to b1, queen to a3, e takes on d5, c takes on d5, knight takes on d5. Back to our game. Judit decided not to take the pawn. Shakhriyar Mamedyarov castled queenside. D takes on e4, f takes on e4, queen to a5, white to move. What is the best move for white in this position? Please pause and find the best move for white. Did you pause? What did you find? Did you find the best move? Shakhriyar Mamedyarov played the best move. King to b1. No joking. This is really the best move. You will see shortly why. Black to move. Naturally, Judit wanted to bring more pieces in the game. She didn't want to play bishop to e7 because bishop takes bishop, and she is losing castling rights. Knight to d7 was played. White to move. Mamedyarov played a killer move in this position, sending Judit in shock. What is it? White played a move and black resigned. And the move is knight to d5. Judit resigned in view of this continuation. Queen takes on d2. Note that this is not a check, because the king is on b1. And now white plays the obvious. Just kidding. Knight to c7. Checkmate. Some people think that Shakhriyar Mamedyarov will be a challenger to Carlsen for the title. What do you think? What do you think of this game? And that is all. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I wish you good luck with your chess, and bye for now.